If you're even thinking about using AI for video generation, this just released AI Video API might completely change the game, and there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. Stick with me, because one of these could save you a ton of wasted time and money. You can try the AI Video API for completely free using the first link in the description. No credit card required. And here's the kicker. Toward the end, I'll share one thing this tool does that no other AI video software I've tested, out of literally thousands, can do reliably. First off, this isn't your average drag and drop video editor with some AI slapped on top. AI Video API is developer focused, but it's incredibly powerful even if you're not a coder. It lets you programmatically generate videos using prompts, images, voiceovers, or scripts. Perfect if you're building your own app, automating content, or running large-scale campaigns. What's wild is the flexibility. You can dynamically change scenes, add subtitles, swap voices, or even switch languages all from a single API request. This makes it ideal for marketers who want to create hundreds of personalized video ads fast without spending hours editing manually. It supports ultra-realistic AI voices that don't sound robotic. And yes, you can even sync your custom script to specific visuals or timing cues. This means no more awkward pauses or mismatched B-roll. The voice-to-video sync is razor sharp, something even many premium tools still mess up. Another key thing, the output quality. You're getting full HD video renders with modern transitions and clean layouts, optimized for social, ads, or YouTube. If you're tired of AI tools producing generic slideshow-looking content, this is on another level. Speed-wise, this thing is fast. From input to rendered video, it usually takes under a minute depending on complexity. That's a huge edge if you're deploying content at scale or need real-time video generation. Now let's talk cost. While there are paid plans, the free tier gives you enough credits to experiment with real use cases. So whether you're testing scripts for a funnel, generating client pitches, or automating explainer videos, you can actually use the software without hitting a wall immediately. And if you're a dev or agency, it supports webhook callbacks, so you can fully integrate it into your workflows or even resell video generation as a white-labeled feature. That alone opens up some serious business opportunities. But here's the real edge. AI Video API plays nicely with other AI tools. You can pair it with ChatGPT, 11 Labs, or Synthesia-style tools to auto-generate scripts, voices, and images, and then let the API tie it all together into a polished video. It's modular, it's scalable, and it feels like the missing piece in a true AI-powered content pipeline. So yeah, AI Video API might not have the flashiest UI, but under the hood, it's one of the smartest AI tools I've reviewed in months. Try it free from the link below, and if you're serious about using AI to streamline or scale content, this should be on your radar. Also, I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I've put my top recommended ones in the description below. You can try them free. Especially useful if you're looking to build a full-stack AI system for your business or brand. Let me know in the comments what you're using AI Video API for. I'd love to see how people are integrating it into their projects.